Right. Tell Oma when she comes and sees us, we're going to have pita sandwiches and strawberries.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. What do you got over there in that cup? You got strawberries.
No, my God.
Those are strawberries?
Yeah.
Do you like strawberries? Are they good?
No, my strawberries.
Yummy, yummy in the tummy? Oh, what is that?
Strawberry.
Is your strawberry?
Strawberry.
Oh, wow. You love strawberries, huh? Hey, don't be a piggy. Pick it up. That good?
Yeah, that's good. Yummy.
What?
Yeah, cold.
You're cold.
Yeah. Me and my leg cold.
Your legs are cold?
Yeah.
Tell Oma you want me to hold you.
Hold me. Hold me.
You gotta come over here first and you gotta tell Oma. Come here. Tell Oma you love her.
Mama.
Look at the camera. Tell her you love her.
Oh, more.
No more. Tell her we're gonna have strawberries when she comes to see us.
You see ya.
You miss her?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well I gotta hold a little boogie now.